So we're out here at Huey Magoo's, right by the Millennium Mall, and we got some of the amazing chicken today. We got the value meal. It's the 4-piece with fries, Texas toast, and a sauce of your choice. I went for the Magoo's sauce. It's the best. Here we go. Healthy amount of Magoo's on there. That is the best chicken tenders in Orlando. Calling you out, chicken guy.
This is what we got today, guys. The value meal is $7.49 plus tax. Every Monday to Friday, you get 4 tenders, fries or chips, Texas toast, Magoo's dip, and a drink. Oh, that looks so good.